So we can say that status is our social position, role is dynamic part of status, status is occupied, roles are played, status are of two types, achieved and ascribed status, roles are of two types, ideal role and expected role, and status and role are today in this video we are going to learn about status and role. Society is a network of status according to Robert Bierstein. Status is our social position in society. As an individual, we have many status like son, brother, father, doctor at a time. Status can be of two types, ascribed status and achieved status. The main basis of ascribed status are race, caste, age, gender, religion, gotra, etc. And main types of ascribed status are Hindu, Muslim, Jat, Brahman, male, female, etc. Achieved status, the basis of this kind of status are abilities, success, bravery of a man, and main types of it are like being MLA, being MP, being IAS officer, PCS officer, or father, mother, and students can also be described as example of achieved status. Second thing is role. Role is a dynamic part of status. We can say that what we are is our status and what we do is our role. Role and status both are interdependent and interrelated terms. Kimberly Young's definition of role in a handbook of social psychology is very important. Role can be described as two types, ideal role and actual role. Ideal role is the role which is expected by society, and actual role is the role what we actually do in society. If we discuss the characteristics of role, we can say that role determines status and status determines role. Like multiple status, there are multiple roles also, and as I already said that role is a dynamic part of status, so it is never static. Role can be of two types, idealistic and realistic, just like status is of two types, ascribed and achieved. And last thing is status are occupied but roles are played. Now we can discuss some concepts related to status and role, and we are also going to discuss who gave these ideologies and terms related to roles and status. First of all, we are going to discuss status set. Status set is a term given by Robert K. Merton, a famous sociologist, and Robert Merton by status set means that an individual at a time can have many status, like an individual can be a father, a doctor, a friend at a single time. Second term is role set. Role set is related to one person only, and one person uh, whose status are multiple status, and these all are present at the same time. Like a doctor, what kind of relation and what kind of role he has to perform as his doctor status with his patients, with medical representatives, and with other doctors and his nursing staff as well. Next term is role conflict. It was given by Robert Merton. Next one is role expectation. The expectation which are related to our present role, are known as role expectation. What society wants us to do, we can say it as role expectation. Next two terms are role taking and role playing. These both terms given by G.H. Mead, a famous behavioralist, and by these terms he means what we do and how we start taking and performing according to our status, which status provided us by society, by norms, or by values. Next one is role distance, the term given by Goffman. Next one is key status. It is a very important term by T.H. Hiller. By key status, we means the most important status. Here we can give example of Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar is a famous cricketer. He is a father of his father, his husband, and he is also an eminent personality of India. So he has many status at a time, but in all these status, the most important status of Sachin Tendulkar is being cricketer. So being cricketer is his key status. Next one is sick role. Parsons and Anderson gave these terms. Next one is role distance by Goffman. Role taking and role playing, as we have already discussed, given by G.H. Mead. So this is all about status and role topic. I hope you have enjoyed it, and in next video we are going to discuss about social problems. Thank you.